What are the ingredients of an egg sandwich? The ingredients of the egg sandwich are eggs, Lady's Choice real mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. So, the first step is to smash the eggs. Well, my mom just peeled it already. Let's put the eggs in there. Next thing to do is to smash it. Okay, now we will put Lady's Choice real mayonnaise. Now it's empty. Now we're gonna put a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Now we will mix it. It's so delicious! Finally, we're gonna put it on a piece of pandesal.